Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of baking with a product that has been turning heads in kitchens everywhere: the Zenlogy Parchment Paper Sheets. These aren't just any parchment paper. They're being hailed as the best in the market. So, let's find out what makes these sheets stand out. First off, let's talk about the size and quantity. The Zenlogy parchment paper comes in a convenient pack of 200 sheets, each measuring 12 by 12 inches. This generous size makes it ideal for a variety of cooking and baking tasks, whether you're using a dehydrator, an air fryer, or a toaster oven. Now, what sets Zenlogy apart is its commitment to quality. These sheets are unbleached, which means they are free from harmful chemicals and additives. The parchment paper is totally chlorine-free and Forest Stewardship Council certified, ensuring you're not only getting a top-notch product but also supporting environmentally friendly practices. As you bake, you can feel good knowing that your parchment paper is sustainably sourced. Let's talk about performance. Zenlogy's parchment paper is designed to withstand high heat, up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This is crucial for serious bakers and cooks who want to avoid the hassle of burnt or stuck food. Whether you're roasting vegetables or baking cookies, these sheets ensure a non-stick experience, making cleanup a breeze. Another highlight is the thickness of the paper. It's noticeably thicker than many competitors, providing better durability and strength. This means fewer rips and tears during use, which can be a game changer when you're working with delicate foods. Now, let's touch on the brand behind the product. Zenlogy is a small, women-owned business based in the US. They not only prioritize quality but also contribute a percentage of their profits to non-profits focused on food, water, and environmental causes. So when you choose Zenlogy, you're not just supporting a brand, you're supporting a mission. With all these fantastic features, it's no surprise that Zenlogy parchment paper has earned rave reviews from professional bakers and home cooks alike. It's the preferred choice in many culinary schools and restaurants, and once you try it, you'll understand why. So, whether you're a baking novice or a seasoned pro, Zenlogy parchment paper sheets could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. They simplify the baking process and elevate your culinary creations, all while being environmentally conscious. That wraps up our review of the Zenlogy parchment paper sheets. If you're ready to take your baking game to the next level, I highly recommend checking them out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product critiques. Until next time, happy baking!